Hey guys, and this video I'm going to show you on how to change number plate lights in Yamaha Ray ZR. So this is actually a common part in Yamaha R15, FZ and MT each and every vehicle. So the stock one comes with a halogen bulb, which they used to call it as T10 halogen. So it also consumes 8 watts of power. So this is what we are going to change. Okay. So this light holder part is actually a common part across all Yamaha vehicles. So to remove this, you need a plus screwdriver to hold it at the front, and at the rear side of the mudguard there will be a small nut will be there. It's an 8 mm nut. So you need to hold that nut using your hand or any cutting pliers or 8 mm spanner so that it doesn't turns. Okay. So as you could see which the pointing is. So this is the nut which you need to hold while removing this at the front. Okay. So to remove this number plate bulb, you don't need any special tools. Okay, and this is how it looks after removing it. And this part actually is a common across all vehicles. And as you could see, there are some strain marks. Actually, you can't clean it because it's not accessible. So now let's remove the bulb from the holder. This is what I told, it's a T10, and the one which I got was an same T10 LED bulb. It's actually an old one which I got, but this one actually cost me around 80 rupees. And guys, to be honest, this one actually lasts for long. So I'm using this one in my car for around 4 years. So it's great. Okay. And this is how it looks, brighter than the T10 bulb. Okay. So after fixing the bulb, just push it inside the number plate bulb holder, and you can just re-follow the process how you removed it and just tighten it up. And this is how it looks after fixing the LED bulb. This just takes around 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and also this is a 5 watts which draws less power. So because the vehicle is turned on and this light glows all the time, the battery life also will be good. And also this this tail lamp also draws more power. The next one I'm going to change it into an LED.